There is nothing trick involved inside. Reality, my brother, is the way that we ride. If I tell you say easy on a setup, so now all you got to do is brace up and get up. For what you believe in, stand up. If it seems like you're sleeping, rise up. I work hard for the money, it is not funny. Cause I got to say it's not easy at all at all. If I was you, I'd get busy, cause I know go fit afford to get lazy at all at all. My guy, now your eye you go sharpen, because it be like say, it done the happen. No shaking, nothing may happen. Don't let the opportunity pass you by. You get to always continue to try. You get to try to always in mind. There is no time to waste this.
I tested this flat folding chair by sitting and then standing on it. In this design, the front legs are the longest pieces, which hold the back rest piece and pivot the back legs on which the seat pivots. To give you a better understanding of this flat folding chair design, it was partially disassembled. This shows that the two longest leg pieces entirely have poles or cylindrical projections which fit into circular grooves on the two back leg pieces, which each have another circular hole below for receiving the external pole or cylindrical projection from each side of the seat, which when the chair is folded flat, this arrangement is such that the seat fits within the back legs, which in turn fits within the front legs. So we assembled the folding chair. The circular groove on the back leg piece was inserted onto its seat pivots, and the brace piece for the back legs was screwed. The post within the front legs was inserted into the circular grooves in the back legs, and the seat support and back rest pieces were also screwed on the front leg piece, so that a groove under each of the two sides of the seat enables the seat support piece to fit in, to prevent accidental forward and backward sliding of the legs and ensure stability. Such cutovers can also be used to make a folding chair that is adjustable to various heights, but that was not the aim of this extension here.
Thanks for watching, and we should always remember that it's not important. You cannot be taught right.